Hi, this is Sebastian over at Cobblers Plus in Denver, and today we will be shining these new shoes from Brooks Brothers. And then we will start by brushing off all the dirt. Let's begin. And then we will brush out all the dirt and the welts. Now we will start by cleaning the leather with Saphir Renovator. Now we will use our Saphir cream to give us our wax base. Now we will brush off the extra surfing cream. Now we will start by putting on our Pate Deluxe wax. And make sure to get the toe twice. And then we will let it dry for 10 minutes. We let the shoes dry for 10 minutes, now we're going to buff the shoes with a horsehair brush. Now we're going to buff with a shine chamois. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. See you next time.